Welcome back to the Salesforce BA Hub podcast. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that our audience often asks about preparing for the Salesforce Business Analyst certification exam, package development. This episode will help you understand the critical differences between package development and change set development, define a package version, and explain why manual tracking of setup changes isn't necessary for the package development model. Step 1. When we talk about package and change set development, it's essential to understand their differences. In change set development, changes are grouped and transferred between orgs. It's a straightforward method, but it lacks flexibility and the ability to track changes over time. Package development, on the other hand, offers more sophisticated change tracking and versioning. Here, we're dealing with a source-driven development approach that utilizes packages as containers for changes. You could create different versions of these packages, giving you more flexibility and control over your changes. In a real-world example, consider a situation where a company is launching a new product. With change set development, you make all the changes related to the product launch in a sandbox, group them into a change set, and then deploy that change set to production. But what if you need to make updates or roll back specific changes after the launch? With package development, you could create a new package version with just those changes, providing you with much more flexibility and control. Step 2. So, what exactly is a package version? In the package development model, a package version represents a snapshot of your metadata at a point in time. It's essentially a version of your package that you can deploy to your orgs. You can create multiple versions of the same package, allowing you to track changes over time and deploy different versions to different orgs based on your needs. Let's illustrate this with a real-world example. Suppose you're working on a new feature for your Salesforce application. You create a new package version for this feature and deploy it to your testing environment. The testing team finds a few issues, so you make changes and create a new package version. Now you'd have two versions of your package minus the original one and the one with the fixes. This allows you to track exactly what changes were made and when they were made. Step 3. One of the significant benefits of package development is that you don't have to track setup changes manually. The package development model automatically tracks these changes as part of your package version. This is a significant improvement over the change set model, where tracking changes, particularly around setup, can be a manual and error-prone process. Let's go back to our real-world example. Suppose you changed your user permissions as part of the new feature you're working on. With package development, these changes are automatically included in your package version. You don't have to worry about missing or including them manually, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. That's it for this episode, folks. We hope you found it useful as you prepare for your Salesforce Business Analyst certification exam. Remember, package development provides a more flexible and sophisticated way to manage changes in Salesforce. So, get hands-on with it, understand its nuances, and make the most of it in your Salesforce journey.